Previous classes, we studied about the MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, and today we will study about what is functions in MS Excel. It's very important what are the functions because MS Excel is having a predefined formulas that are called functions which we use to calculations of the spreadsheets because MS Excel works on the numerical data. So there are some calculation on that numerical data and MS Excel provides some predefined formulas that is used for specific values in a particular order. So this is called functions in MS Excel. Function is used for quick tasks like finding the sum, count, average, maximum values and minimum values for a range of cells. See, for example, suppose a cell A3 below contains the sum functions which calculates the sum of the range. I explained you that this is the cell address from A1 to A2. We have to sum that of this range A1 to A2. So how will we write this as a formula in Excel? See, there are different formulas in Excel like sum for summations of a range of numbers, average for calculation the average of a given range of numbers, count for counting the numbers of items in a given range. See, here is a list of important Excel formulas and functions. How will you write a function if you want to write a sum from a range? A range is given in such a way like E4 to E8, right? These are the cell addresses and we have to sum these range. So I will write here equal to is mandatory here, equal sign will be mandatory while writing the Excel formulas. So equal sum, the range will be given like E4 to E8. In this way, any range you want to sum in MS Excel, you have to write the cell address from that to that point, starting point to the final point where you want to sum. So you have to write the sum in such a way. Same way, if you want to write the minimum function means in this range, which value is minimum? Find out the minimum value of this range. You will have to write the formula equal to min E4 to E8. E4 to E8 is the range where you have to define the minimum value present in that range. Same way, max function. Max value is here equal max. The range is again given E4 to E8. It means in this range E4 to E8, you have to find out the maximum value, right? So these are the cell address. I explained you earlier, E4 is the cell address, E8 is the cell address. And from E4 to E8, you have to find out which one value is maximum. Okay. Next is average function. Again, you have to find out the average of that range, E4 to E8, average equals to average. It will give you the average of that range. Count function will count how many elements are there from this range equals to count E4 colon E8. This is the range. In this range, how many elements are there? That will be given by a figure. That is the count function. Same way, which days is there? E4, D4, suppose the day is given over there. It will give you the days, the list of the days equal to days D4 comma C4 means D4 to C4. How many days are there means what are the days like Monday, Tuesday, right? Monday to Friday. In this way, you will get the answer. So these are the predefined MS Excel functions which will provide you the calculations on the numerical data. Next, MS Excel is very important for the charts preparation also. Sometimes we have to give the numerical data in the form of graphical charts. I want to present that data in the form of charts. Suppose I'm giving the result of some students, which a student scores marks, highest marks, lowest marks. I want to show them in a charts. Chart is a graphical representation of any numerical data or whatever the data you want to present. So it provides you that features also. MS Excel also provide you that features. charts in MS Excel, column charts in Excel, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter charts, stock charts, radar charts, right? So many charts are available. You must be familiar about the column charts, line chart, pie chart. I will show you the pictures. How will you insert the chart and what kind of charts are available in the MS Excel? See, first select the data and the insert tab, then select the column chart. See, it has written, just select the insert. If you want to insert column chart, select to the column chart. See, the column chart will be available in such a columns. Suppose this is the list, right? This is the Excel sheet, names, maths, marks is given, and you want to make the column chart of this table. So you have to click the column chart, 2D column chart you have clicked. First you have clicked on insert, then you clicked on 2D column chart. This is the 2D column chart. It will be presented in the 2D column chart when you click. Then the column chart looks like a C. Right? So that table will be converted into charts. If you see here, the first student, if I take them student, see the marks is 20 and 18. In the x-axis is the x-axis and y-axis is there. In x-axis, the names of that person, that is Janessa Cross, Venus Clavet. These are the names of the student. And the names of the students are present in the x-axis and the marks in the y-axis, the range of the marks, and column will present how much marks they secured. See here, Janessa Cross has secured 12 marks in maths and 18 marks in other subjects. So it has been shown in such a way, 12 and 16. This is the pictorial representation of that table. Right? When pictorial representation is there, then it will be very easy to understand. Right? The MS Excel chart will provide you such facility. In this way, you can convert the table into the charts. 2 marks have been given here. If you give 3 or 4 marks, it will be 3 columns will be there, 4 columns. In this way, you can see the highest marks. It will be visible that 20 marks is the highest marks of here in the range. Right? In this way, 10 is the lowest marks. It is clearly visible how much the student scored the marks in which subjects. This is the column chart. See, next we have insert the next type of charts. See, 2D line chart, insert, then click on 2D line chart, the same table. Then the line chart looks like as given below. See, right? The same chart will be converted into line chart and it will be shown in a line. Blue line for the maths marks and red line for the English marks. And it is showing in such a way. Same x-axis denotes the students list and y-axis denotes the marks range. It will automatically convert it, automatically arrange a range for the marks. Select the data, go to the insert tab and select the pie chart. You have to select the data first. Remind it, you have to select the data, select the table first, okay, which you have to convert in the charts. So first select the table, then click on insert again, click on 2D pie charts. Okay, the list of the chart is available there. The pie chart will be available. See, this is the pie chart. Then the pie chart looks like a given below. Okay, see the marks are converted in the form of circles and the sections of that circle has been created. Right, so this is called the pie chart. Same way, bar chart also there. Select the data, go to the insert tab and select the bar chart. See bars. This table again will be converted into bar charts, right? In such a way. Bar chart will show inner kinds of bars, right? Column and bars are different. Columns are separate with each other. Bars are some narrow lines which are attached with each other. And in this way, you will show your tables in the form of bars, right? See, Janessa Cross has got 12 marks in maths and 18 marks in the English. So it has been shown in this way. And this is another way of representation of that data, right? Next is 2D area chart. Select the data, go to the insert tab, select the area chart. See, in this way, it will show you the area, how much area is being taken by that marks. So depend on your particular need, whatever the work you are doing. If you want to show that work in an area wise, you can use the area chart. If you want pie chart in a section wise, you want to show your work and based on the particular requirements, right? So you have to use such kind of charts. These charts are available. The way or the steps are the same. So you have to select the table first, then go to the insert, select the particular chart which you want to insert and click on that chart. It will be shown. That table will be converted into that chart. Same way, scattered chart is there. See, scattered, the data has been scattered in the points and these lines are converted. Same way, the stock charts, see, in such a way, the stock chart will be there. Radar chart in the form of radar, right? In the form of radars, this is the show. It is showing in the form of radar. This is the radar chart. Okay, see. See, the marks cannot be, it's not good to show them in a radar chart, but this is the example I'm showing you. Based on your requirement, you can choose the chart, right? You can choose a chart, whatever the requirement you have. This is the radar chart. So these were the different combinations of charts present in the MS Excel. MS Excel is a very important tool of Microsoft. It is very, very important tool for Microsoft. Why? Because once it works on a numerical data. Second, it has so many predefined functions, formulas, right? Third, we can have a lock on the sheets also. Password we can make, or we can make a lock on the sheets. And in one file, we have created so many sheets. We can create so many worksheets on one file, right? And so many charts are available. You can show your data in the form of these charts. Okay, so this is the features of MS Excel. Excel is a combination of rows and columns, and these rows and columns store our data, which is other terms are named records. We can say them records. Suppose you are storing your class data, names of your student in the class, marks, so you will say it is a record, right? I have saved one record. As Excel is the most common tool, we reserve the data in Excel, making it a database. It is one of the important point here. Suppose I have created one table in MS Excel for my class, another table for the another class. In this way, I have created so many tables or spreadsheets, and collection of these tables, I can say that I have reserved my data in Excel, making it a database. और मैंने एक database बना लिया, ठीक है? आप एक database भी इस पे बना सकते हो. What is database? Database is a collection of data where you collect the data in some predefined format. This is called the database only. The definition of database is to collect the data in some normalized form or in some order, in particular format. You have to store that data. This is called database. So in this way, you can say that I have created my own database, right? सपोज मैं कॉलेज पे हूँ, मैं अपने डिपार्टमेंट का सारा डेटा इकट्ठा करके रखती हूँ, जितनी भी मैं क्लासेस रन कर रही हूँ, पुरानी क्लासेस, उनका रिजल्ट्स, आने वाली नई क्लासेस, और मैंने एक जगह पर सारा डेटा एक रिकॉर्ड पे स्टोर किया हुआ है, बहुत सारी टेबल्स बना के उनके नाम देके, तो मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि मैंने अपनी एक्सेल पर अपना डेटाबेस बनाया हुआ है, राइट? Therefore, we can put data in Excel in some form of tables in rows and columns and give the table a name, that is a database in Excel. तो इस तरीके से हम उस टेबल को जो नाम दे रहे हैं, हम बोलेंगे कि हमने इस नाम से टेबल्स रिकॉर्ड्स है हमारी, और एक पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर पे जब हमने रख दिया ये सारा, तो हम बोलेंगे कि हम एक डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर दिया. We can also import data from other sources in Excel given the data format is proper with the Excel format. अब अपने Excel format को ही आप दूसरी जगह से import भी कर सकते हो, पर Excel format सेम होना चाहिए. हम अपना खुद का डेटा तो रख रहे हैं, पर import भी कर सकते हैं. For example, you may create a company sales report of different regions on a database in Excel for easy access and complete control over data management while working with the database. We must first ensure all the required columns and names each heading properly. It's very important to give the proper name, right? जो भी आप नेम दे रहे हो उनको प्रॉपर नेम देना है आपको, बिकॉज दैट नेम से फिर आपको क्या होगा, आप जब इस डेटा को एक्सेस करोगे तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए. सपोज यू आर राइटिंग ऑर्डर आईडी, तो यू हैव टू राइट ऑर्डर आईडी, राइट? प्रॉपर नेम शुड बी गिवन. ऑर्डर डेट, order, priority, city, state, region, customer ID, customer names. In this way, account, suppose you are working on a banking data, you have to write account number. Once the headers of the data table are clear, we can easily start entering the data just below the respective columns. आपने पहले headers देने हैं, जैसे serial number, order ID, order date, ये सब header है, और उसके बाद आपने इन columns को properly fill करना है. जब ये सारी टर्मिनोलॉजी हो जाएगी तो उसको हम रिकॉर्ड्स बोलेंगे. जो आपकी एक रिकॉर्ड है, सपोज आपका ऑर्डर आईडी 217 है, इसका ऑर्डर डेट दिस डेट है, ऑर्डर प्रायोरिटी क्या है, मतलब एक पूरी कंप्लीट रो आपका एक रिकॉर्ड है, किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का एक रिकॉर्ड है ना, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द रिकॉर्ड. और जो ऊपर आपने लिखे हुए ऑर्डर आईडी, ऑर्डर डेट, ऑर्डर प्रायोरिटी, इन्हें बोला जाता है फील्ड. फील्ड या एट्रीब्यूट भी बोलते हैं इनको. इस टेबल के वो फील्ड्स है, और एक जो पूरी एक रो है जो कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है आपको, वो आपका रिकॉर्ड है. We cannot leave a single row empty when entering the data. For example, we have entered the headings in the first row, and if we start entering the data from the third row by leaving the second row empty, we are gone, right? तो हम इस तरीके से इस पे काम नहीं कर सकते. एक रो छोड़ के अगली रो पे काम कर रहे हो, ये इस तरीके से डेटाबेस इनकम्प्लीट माना जाता है. Not only the first or second row, but we also cannot leave any row empty after entering certain data into a database field. अगर आपने एक भी डेटा उस रो में एक भी भरा है, तो उस रो को आपको कंप्लीट करना होता है. As if said, each column is called field in the database. Similarly, we cannot have empty field between the data. इसी तरीके से हम रो को जिस तरीके से कंप्लीट करते हैं, इसी तरीके से हमको सारे कॉलम भी कंप्लीट करने होते हैं. We cannot leave any cell, we can say. We must fill all in the data carefully. In the above image, I have data all the way from row 1 to row 5000. इस में देखो, इस टेबल में, क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रीनशॉट है इस टेबल का, इस टेबल में रो 1 से लेके रो 5001 तक डेटा स्टोर किया गया है. See how unlimited data has been stored over there. So you can store such a big amount of data in MS Excel, right? The final thing we need to do is convert this data into Excel table by selecting the data, press Control plus table. अगर आप इसको Control plus T करेंगे तो ये एक टेबल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. Here we need to make sure that the My Table has a header, checkbox is ticked and the range is selected. आपको यहाँ पर एक तरीका का Create Table दिखता है. यहाँ पे आप My Table has header लिख के OK कर देते हो, तो आपको यहाँ पर एक complete table creation मिलता है, जिससे क्या होगा, आप एक कंप्लीट टेबल लाइक दिस, आपको इस तरीके की टेबल यहाँ पर मिल जाती है. अब इसको एक प्रॉपर नाम दे दीजिए. यू जस्ट गिव अ प्रॉपर नेम टू दैट टेबल. अंडर द डिजाइन टेबल पे, डिजाइन कॉलम पे आप सेल्स करके इसको एक नाम दे सकते हैं. Since we have created a name, automatically it would expand whenever we enter the data after the last column. right? So now we have the database ready. Now follow the pros and cons below to have a good hand of your database. So in such way you can create a database. एक practical view भी था आपका MS Excel का. So whenever you work on MS Excel, just keep these points on your mind and try to work on it. It will be very helpful for you for making your official work or whatever data you want to save, or you want to make a database of your own for your company, for your own purpose, whatever data you want to create, you can create a small database for your own with the help of MS Excel, because it will provide you the predefined formulas also, functions also, right? It will give you a lock system, means you have to make a lock or password in your Excel sheets. You can import data from the other sources also and make them a table in such a way. So these are some points which makes the MS Excel very, very beneficial, right? So this was the MS Excel. Now we will move towards the next MS Microsoft application software, that is called MS PowerPoint. Previous classes we studied about the MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, and today we will study about what is functions in MS Excel. It's very important what are the functions, because MS Excel is having a predefined formulas that are called functions, which we use to calculations of the spreadsheets, because MS Excel works on the numerical data. So there are some calculation on that numerical data, and MS Excel provides some predefined formulas that is used for specific values in a particular order. So this is called functions in MS Excel. Function is used for quick tasks like finding the sum, count, average, maximum values and minimum values for a range of cells. See, for example, suppose a cell A3 below contains the sum function. Now we will move to the other application or other suite of Microsoft Office. This is the cell address from A1 to that is A2. Microsoft PowerPoint. That of this range A1 PowerPoint to A2 was developed by Robert Gaskin and Dennis Austin in 1987. Formula in Excel. See, there are different formulas. So it was originally developed like for Mac. For summations of a range of numbers by the Microsoft. Average for calculation, the average of a given range of made numbers. For the Mac system. Count right? For counting the numbers of items in a given range. See, today it's a major part of the important Excel formulas and functions. The most popular how will you write a function if you want to write a sum from a range? A range is given in such a way like E4 to E8. Right? So in official purpose, everybody and you have to sum these range. So I will write here equal to right equal to for is any presentation. Equal will be equal sign will be mandatory while writing the Excel formula. So equal sum the PPT. The range right? will be given like E4 to PowerPoint presentation. In this way, slides. Any range right? you want to sum in MS Excel, you have to write the cell address from that to that slide. Starting point in the MS point Word where you want to sum the page that is called document. You have to write the in MS Excel. You work on that same way. If you want to write the minimum function, minimum PowerPoint, you work on that in this range. Which value is minimum? Right? Find out the minimum value of this range. So you will have to write the formula equal to few important things. E4 to E8. E4 to E8 is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you have to define the minimum value that is in that. Given below are the few important things max that one must know about the development and introduction of max. The range is again given E4 to E8. That is means the program was created in a software company. You have to find out the maximum value. And Janice right? These are the cell address. April 20, 1987, and after 3 months of its creation, it was acquired by E4 to E8. You have to find out which one value is maximum. Microsoft was PowerPoint was next is average function. Again, you have to find out the average of that range. E4 to E8 version average equals to average. 2.0 was introduced. It will give you the average of 90 range. It's a presentation-based program that uses how many elements are there, etc. From this range to make a presentation more interactive E4 and interesting. Colon E8. The file extension of a safe range, how many elements are there, PPT that will be given by a figure that is the extension that is PPT got the
Same way, which days is there?
D4,
PowerPoint
suppose the day is given over there.
slides and other features.
It will give you the days, the list of the days equal to
gradually
days,
with each
D4
version,
the
C4
program
means
was D4
more
to
creative and more
C4.
interactive.
How many
Various
days
other
are there?
features were
Means
added
what
in
are the
PPT,
days? Like Monday,
which massively increased the requirement
right?
and use of
Monday
the MS
to
Office
Friday.
program.
In this way, you will
See,
get the
we are working.
answer. So these are the predefined
Since
MS Excel functions
1990, the
which
PPT
will
was there,
which will provide
and
you
we are working on
the
the PPTs today also.
calculations
So there are
on the
different
numerical
versions
data.
came, and every
Next,
version
MS
has some
Excel is
updated
very
features,
important for the
and this process is
charts
still going on.
also.
Sometimes
Means
new
you have
features
to
are
give
invented,
the numerical
it can be added
data
to that
in
PPT
the
and
form of
updated in
graphical
PPT,
charts.
and we use
I
that
want to
updated
present that
right?
data
And in this
the
way,
form
the
of
process
charts
is
suppose
going
I'm
on.
in I'm giving
And
the
MS
result of
PowerPoint
some
has
students
so many features.
which student
today.
scores
Right?
marks,
It's a very
highest
interactive
marks,
environment.
lowest
It's a very
marks. I want to
interactive
show them in
environment
a
while
charts,
giving
chart
any
is the graphical
presentation.
representation of any
See,
numerical
basics of
data or
MS
whatever the
PowerPoint, if
data
you
you
see
want
what
to
is
present.
PowerPoint,
So
why
it provides
used,
you
so
that
have
features
to
also. MS Excel also provides
answer
you
some
that
questions
features
like what
charts
is
in
MS
MS Excel.
PowerPoint.
Column charts in
PowerPoint
Excel,
PPT is a
line
powerful,
chart,
easy
pie
to use
chart, bar
presentation
chart,
graphic
area chart,
softwares, programs
scatter
that allows
charts,
you to create
stock charts,
professional
radar
looking
charts,
electronic
right?
slides.
So many charts are available. You
The
must be
image
familiar
given
about the
below
column
shows the
chart,
main
line
page of
chart,
MS
pie
PowerPoint.
chart. I will
इस
show
तरीके
you
से स्लाइड्स आती हैं यहाँ
the
पे.
pictures. How will
Okay.
you insert the chart?
This is the page PowerPoint
what
is
kind
having.
of charts are available in the MS
Rectangle is showing there.
See,
This is the
first
slide.
select the
And
data
click to
and
add
the
title.
insert
This is
tab,
the
then select the column chart.
means
See,
you
it
have
has
to
written.
take the title of
Just
the
select
slide.
the insert.
Okay, in this way you can insert
If you
the
want
slide.
to insert column chart,
How many
select the
steps you want
column
to
chart.
insert on PPT?
See,
You
the
have
column
to
chart
click
will
the
be
insert.
available
It
in
will
such a
insert to
column.
the another
Suppose
slide.
this is the list, right? This is the
How you work on it? Click
Excel
on the
sheet,
start
names,
button, all
maths,
programs,
marks is
MS
given,
Office,
and you want to
under
make
MS
the
Office, you
column
will click
chart
on
of
the
this
MS PowerPoint. A
table.
blank presentation is open on the
So you
screen.
have to
As we
click
shown
the
above.
column chart.
According to the
2D
requirement,
column
a
chart
person
you
can
have
modify the template
First
of
you have clicked on
presentation and
insert,
start using the
then you
program.
clicked on 2D column
Whatever
chart.
template you want,
This
you
is the
can
2D column
change
chart.
the
It will be
template and
presented in
start your work
the
on
2D column chart when you click. Then the column
What is the
chart looks
PowerPoint
like
presentation? A combination of various slides depicting a graphical and visual interpretation of data.
So that
PowerPoint
table will be
is only
converted
showing
into
the
charts. If you see here,
practical or visual interpretation.
the first
It is not for
student, if I
storing
take
the
them
data.
student,
Okay, it is only
see
for
the marks
presenting
is
the data.
20 and
It
18.
must be keep in
In
the
the
mind.
x-axis is
PPT
the
is
x-axis
only
and
for
y-axis is
presenting
there.
the
In
data. It is
the
not
names
for
of that
storing
person.
the data
That
or
is
for any
Janessa
calculation.
Cross.
It is
Venus
somewhat different
Claret.
from
These are the names
MS
of the
Word
student.
and Excel.
And
And totally different.
The names of the
So you
students are
cannot
present in
write
the
a full
x-axis
page on that
and the
PPT.
marks
You have to make
in the
some points on the
y-axis,
PPT.
the range of the
And
marks,
figures
and
and pictures you
column
have
will
to show
present
on the
how much
PPT.
marks
You have
is
to
secured.
explain
See
your
here,
presentation with your own.
Janessa Cross has secured 12 marks in maths
What
and
is the
18 marks in
slide
other
shown in a
subject.
PowerPoint
It has been
presentation
shown in
when
such a
all
way.
the slides of the PowerPoint presentation
12
are set
and
in a
16.
series
This is the
and then
pictorial
presented to a
representation of
group
that
people
table.
where each slide appear
Right?
one by
When
another.
pictorial
It is set
representation
pattern.
is
एक
there,
set pattern होता
then
है,
it
इस पे
will be
आपने
very
post
easy
and
to
slides बनानी.
understand.
तो आप
Right?
जब
The
view पे
MS
जाओगे
Excel
slide
chart will
presentation
provide you
करोगे
such
तो one
facility.
by one एक order
In
पे
this
आपके
way, you
यहाँ
can
पे appear
convert the
होना
table
शुरू
into
हो
the
जाएंगे. ऐसे
chart.
बहुत सारे features होते हैं.
2
इसमें
marks
भी.
have
You
been
can add
given
these
here.
features.
If you
आप
give
अपने slide
3
को
or
more
4 marks,
presentable
there will
बना
be
सकते हो.
3
You can add
columns will be
sound
there
on your
for purple. In this way,
PPTs.
you can see
make
the highest
animations.
marks. It will be visible. The 20
give some
marks is
tones
the highest
and
marks of
music
in the
sphere
range.
slides, right?
Right? In this way,
Charts
10 is the
presentation
lowest
will be
marks.
there. You can insert
It is
some other
visibly,
external sources
clearly
data to
visible
your
how much the
PPTs.
school,
You can create some link
the
for your
student
PPT.
score the
So
marks
it is
in
very
which
beneficial. So
subject.
many points are there.
This is the
The following
column
elements can
chart.
be added. Clip art. You can add clip arts.
See,
You can add graphics. You can create
Next,
a table.
we
in
have
the MS
insert the
Excel
next
sheet,
type of charts.
PowerPoint slides.
see 2D line
Photographs
charts.
you want to insert. Charts you want to
Then
insert.
click on
you can
2D line
insert,
chart.
right?
The same
Or
table.
Media
Then the
clips,
line charts, looks
videos,
like is given below.
all these elements are mainly
Right?
used to
The
enhance
same chart
presentation
will be
skills
converted
and make
into
the slides
line
more
chart, and it will be
interactive.
shown in a line. Blue line for the maths marks and red line
Some
for the
features have
English
been given
marks.
over here,
And it is showing in such a way. Same x-axis denotes the students list,
which MS
and
PowerPoints
y-axis
provide you.
denotes the
That is
marks range.
multiple
It will
features
automatically
that are available
convert it,
in MS
automatically
PowerPoint, which
arrange
can
a
customize and optimize the
range for the
presentation.
marks.
See slide layout.
Select the data,
What kind
go
of
to the
slides?
insert tab and select the pie chart. You have to select the data first. Remind it, you have to select the data, select the table first.
You are
okay?
creating,
which you
the
have
layout
to
will be available for you.
convert in the
Right?
charts.
So multiple options
So
and
first
layouts
select
are
the
available
table.
based on which a presentation can be created.
Then
This
click on
option is
insert
available
again.
under the home section.
Click on 2D
आपको
pie chart.
Slide layout home पे मिलेगा.
Okay, the
आप
list
select
of
कर
the
सकते
chart
हो,
is
multiple
available
layout
here.
options वहाँ पर provided हैं.
The pie
You
chart
can
will be
use
available.
according to your
See, this is the
requirements.
pie chart. Then the pie
See.
chart looks like a given below.
The image
Okay.
below shows
See,
different
the
slide
marks
layout
are
options.
converted
So
in
many
the form
styles.
of
कहीं पे title
circles
ऊपर लिखा
and
रहता
the
है.
sections
कहीं
of
पे
that
कोई slide blank
circle has
होती है, कोई
been
slide दो parts में
created.
divided है,
Right?
कोई
So
तीन
this is
parts में
called
divided
the
है, sections
pie
बने हुए हैं,
chart.
vertical sections, horizontal sections. तो ये सब slides के layout हैं. आपको जिस
Same
तरीके
way,
का layout
bar
आपको
chart
अपनी
also there.
presentation के लिए
Select the
चाहिए,
data,
आप
go
उस
to the
तरीके का
insert
layout
tab
select
and
करके
select the
presentation बना सकते
bar
हैं.
chart.
Under the insert
bar.
category,
This
multiple
table
options are
again will be
available.
converted into
ठीक है. तो
bar
insert
charts.
category में आपको
Right,
दिख
in
सकता
such a
है
way.
images आप
Bar
इसमें
chart
insert
will
कर
show
सकते
inner
हैं.
kinds of
Audio
bars,
insert कर
right?
सकते हैं,
Column
video
and
insert
bars
कर
are
सकते हैं,
different.
headers,
Columns are separate
footers,
with each other.
symbols,
Bars
shapes,
are
right?
some narrow lines which are
That is
attached with each
whenever
other.
suppose I want
And
to
in
add
this way,
some audio,
you will show,
right? तो मैं pictures
your
दिखा रही हूँ और
cables
at the back में उसमें
in the
audio
form
set कर
of
सकती हूँ.
bars.
ठीक है.
Right?
Slide designs.
The Genesis
MS PowerPoint
has
has
got
various
12
themes
marks in
using
maths
which
and
background,
18
color
marks
and
in
design
English.
show textures.
So it
can
has
be
been
shown in this way.
Edit.
And this is
This is slide.
another way of
This makes the presentation
of
more colorful and
data,
attractive,
right? And attentions of the people's looking at it.
Next
See,
is
we
2D area chart.
present the PPT.
Select the data, go to the
for
insert tab,
presenting
select the
our
area
topic.
chart.
Right?
So
See,
to make
in
it
this way,
more attractive,
it will show you the
more presentable,
area.
how much area.
That is why these
is
features
being
have been given.
taken
So
by
we have
that
to use these
marks.
features.
So depend on
with
your
slide
particular
design
need
and other
whatever
form
the
to make
work you
our
are
PowerPoint
doing.
slides very
If you want to
interactive
show
and
that work in an
attractive.
area
So
wise,
this
you
people's
can use the
attention.
area chart. If you
Giving
want
attention
pie
to the
chart
people.
in a section wise, you want
These
to show
features
your
can
work,
be added using
and based
the
on the
design
particular
category
requirements
mentioned
right?
on the home
So
page
you
of
have
MS
to use
PowerPoint.
such kind of
Although there are
charts. These
existing
charts are
design
available.
templates available.
The way or the steps
In case
are the
someone
same.
wants
You
to
have
add
to
some new
select the
texture or
table
colors,
first,
the options
then
to
go to the
customize. Suppose
insert,
आपको नया
select
color
the
add करना
particular
है,
chart which
तो
you
ये
want
जब
to
आप इसमें
insert
slide design
and
पे
click
जाएंगे
on
तो you
that
will
chart.
see.
It
आप
will
एक
be
slide पे click
shown. That
करोगे
table
so
will
many
be
slide
converted
designs
into
are
that
there. If you
chart.
click on
Same
one
way,
slide,
scatter
so
chart is
many-
there.
the whole slide will be converted in such a form, right?
See,
Or
scatter,
particular
the
one
data
by
has
one
been
you
scattered
can
in
do
a points,
separate designs,
and these
it will also be
lines are
possible. Converted. Same way the stock charts,
animation. During the
slide
slideshow,
show, the slides
the
appear
stock
on the
chart will be
screen
there.
one after the other. In case one wants to add some animations to the way in which a slide presents itself, they can refer to
Radar
the
chart
animation category.
in the form of
right?
radar.
Animation means
Right?
आप किस तरीके से
In the
चा-
form of
slides
radar
को appear
this is
करना
show.
चाहते हो.
It is showing
कुछ
in the form
animations
of
उसमें
radar.
add कर रहे हो,
This is the
ठीक है, तो आप
radar
एनिमेशन
chart.
वाले पॉइंट पे जा सकते हो. और बहुत सारे एनिमेशन
Okay,
स्टाइल्स
see.
भी यहाँ पर अवेलेबल होते हैं. ये स्टार्स की फॉर्म पे आप इनको
See,
देख सकते हो.
the marks
आप इनको
cannot be
use करिएगा.
means
If you
it's
practically
not,
do this, it
good
will
to
be
show
very
them in a
good
radar
for you.
chart. But this is the example I'm showing you.
Apart from all
You
these options,
based on your
font
requirement,
size,
you
font
can choose the
style,
chart.
font
right?
color,
You can
word
choose the
art,
chart,
date,
whatever
time,
the
ये सब
requirement
भी
you
आप अपनी
have.
पीपीटी में ऐड कर सकते हैं.
This is
right? आपने सपोज
the
स्लाइड
radar
चलानी है, आपने टाइम सेट
So
कर
these
दिया
were the different combinations of charts
30
present in
सेकंड के
the
बाद
MS
मेरी
Excel.
अगली
MS
second
Excel is a
अगली
very
slide आए,
important
because 30
tool of
second में slide को
Microsoft.
paint
It is
करूंगा,
very, very
करूंगी.
important tool
So
of
you can add the
Microsoft.
time.
Why? Because
तो हर slide
once
आपकी
it
30
works on
second
a
के बाद
numerical
आनी
data,
शुरू हो जाएगी.
second,
right?
it has
तो
so many
या फिर आप
predefined
manually
functions,
click
formulas.
करके भी ला सकते
right?
हो, और अगर आप
Third, we
automatically
can
चला रहे हो
have a lock
तो वो
on the
by
sheets
default time जो
also.
होता है उतना तो
Password
लेगी, लेकिन अगर आप खुद
or
से
we
time
can
add
make
करना
a lock
चाहते हो
on the
कि
sheet.
भाई एक
And
slide
in
को
one file
30
we have
second तक मुझे
created so
रोकना
many
है, तो
sheets.
you
We
can
can
add
create
that
so
time.
many worksheets
तो slide
on
उसी
one
तरीके से
file.
बिहेव करेगी जैसे कि
right?
आप चाहते हैं.
And
so many charts are available.
Uses क्या है PowerPoint के, कहाँ पर है, ये आप समझ चुके होंगे अब तक, और
Okay.
you must
So
be
this
familiar
is
with it, but
the features
points
of
में
MS
पढ़ लीजिए.
Excel. Excel is a combination of rows and columns, and these rows
PowerPoint
and columns
presentations are
store our
useful for
data,
both personal and
which is
professional uses.
another or which is other
Given
terms
below
are
are few
named records.
major
We
fields
can
of
say them
PPT.
records.
These
Suppose you are
education
storing your
में
class data,
जब e-learning
names of
होती
your
है,
student in the
with
class,
e-learning
marks,
and
so you will
smart
say
classes
it's a
being chosen
record,
as the common mode
right?
of
I have
education
saved
today.
one record.
So PowerPoint
As
representation
Excel is
can
the
help
most
in
common
making
tool. We
education more
reserve the
interactive
data in
and
Excel,
attract
making it a
students towards
database.
the
It is one
modified
of the
version of
important point
studying.
here. Suppose I have created
Marketing,
one table
marketing
in
करना
MS
होता है
Excel
तो
for
पहले
my
presentation
class,
देना जरूरी होता है.
another
तो वहाँ पर
table
भी
for
आप
the
अपने
another class.
charts
In
जो
this
मैंने
way, I
different
have
तरीके के
created
charts
so many
आपको
tables
बताए
or
थे.
spreadsheet
Chart से
and
graphics
collection
से
of these
stock
tables.
market
I
दिखाना
can say
चाहते थे.
that
Stock
I
charts
have
के through भी आपको
reserved my
दिखाते थे.
data in Excel, making
कितना
it a
ग्रो कर रहा है,
database.
कितना
और मैंने
राइज
एक
कर रहा है, कहाँ
database
से
बना
कहाँ
लिया.
पहुंच रहा है.
ठीक है,
नेटवर्किंग
आप
के
एक
कॉन्सेप्ट
database
को
भी
दिखा
इस पे
सकते हो कि नेटवर्क
बना
कहाँ
सकते
कहाँ
हो.
फैला
What
हुआ
is
है वहाँ.
database?
तो उस
Database
नेटवर्क का
is a
कुछ
collection
दिखाना है
of
आपको,
data
ज्योग्राफिकल
where
एरिया से
you
लेकर
collect
कुछ
the
चीज आपको
data
प्रेजेंट
in
करना
the
है.
in
तो
some
आप वहाँ पर
predefined
रडार
format.
वाला चार्ट
This is
यूज
called a
कर सकते हो.
database
तो वो
only.
जो मैंने आपको
The
बोला था
definition of
कि डिफरेंट
database
तरीके के
is
चार्ट्स
to
आपकी
collect the
रिक्वायरमेंट पे
data
डिपेंड करते हैं कि
in
आपको
some
कैसी
normalized
रिक्वायरमेंट है,
form
उस तरीके का चार्ट आप
or
क्या करते हो,
in some
सेलेक्ट कर
order.
लेते
In
हो.
particular
तो मार्केटिंग पर्पस
format
के लिए
you have
बहुत
to store
इंपॉर्टेंट
that
होता है
data.
पीपीटी.
This is
तो
called
आपको
database.
प्रेजेंट
So in this way you can say that I have
charts,
created my
numbers
own
can be
database.
shown more
Right?
evidently and
Suppose मैं
clearly,
कॉलेज पे हूँ,
which
मैं
may be
अपने
ignored
डिपार्टमेंट
by
का सारा
the
डेटा
viewer if
इकट्ठा
being
करके
read.
रखती हूँ.
ठीक है.
जितनी भी मैं
अगर आप
क्लासेस
पढ़ते
रन कर रही
हो,
हूँ, पुरानी
किसी
क्लासेस,
चीज को रीड करते हो,
रिजल्ट्स
आने
आने
वाली
वाली
नई
नई
क्लासेस,
क्लासेस,
वो
और मैंने एक जगह
बहुत
पर
ज्यादा
सारा
टाइम
डेटा
कंज्यूमिंग
एक
होता है
रिकॉर्ड पे
समझने
स्टोर
में.
किया हुआ है. बहुत
पर
सारी
वही चीज अगर
tables
आप
बना के
ग्राफिकल
उनके नाम देके
शो करते
तो
हो
मैं ये
किसी
बोल
को,
सकती हूँ
तो वो मोर
कि मैंने अपनी
अंडरस्टैंडेबल और
एक्सेल पर अपना डेटाबेस बनाया
आई
हुआ
कैचिंग होती है.
राइट. So that is why PPTs are very
Therefore,
important.
we
जब
can
आप
put
कोई
data in
marketing
Excel
कर रहे
in
होते
some
हो.
form of tables
Business
and rows
marketing
and
से ही
columns
चलता है,
and
तो
give the
business का
table
भी
and
वही
need.
मतलब है यहाँ
That
पर.
is the
We
database
have
and
to
in
invite
Excel.
investors
इस
or
तरीके
to
से
show
हम
the
उस टेबल
increase
को
or
जो नाम
decrease
दे
in
रहे हैं,
profits
हम बोलेंगे
investors
कि
को
हमने
हमने
इस
इस
मीटिंग
नाम
रखी,
से tables
कितना
record
प्रॉफिट
से
हो रहा है,
हमारी और
कितना
एक
लॉस हो रहा है,
particular
तो वहाँ
folder
पर
पे
भी आप
जब हमने रख
PowerPoint
दिया
यूज
ये
कर
सारा,
सकते हो. वहाँ पे भी
तो हम
चार्ट का
बोलेंगे
यूज
कि
कर
हम
सकते
एक
हो.
डेटाबेस क्रिएट कर दिया. We can also
क्रिएटिंग
import
resume,
data from other
आपको resume
sources
क्रिएट करना
in
है.
Excel,
डिजिटल
given
resume
the
क्रिएट
data
जब होता है,
format is
डिजिटल
proper with
resume
the
जब आप
Excel
बनाते हो
format.
हार्ड कॉपी
अब
के लिए,
अपने एक्सेल
तो हम
फॉर्मेट को भी
MS
आप
Word में
दूसरी जगह
बनाते
से
हैं.
इंपोर्ट भी कर
पर
सकते हो,
जब
पर
आपको
एक्सेल
डिजिटल
फॉर्मेट सेम होना
resume
चाहिए.
क्रिएट
हम
करना है
अपना
और
खुद का
आपको
डेटा तो
प्रेजेंट
रख
करना
रहे
है
हैं, पर इंपोर्ट
डिजिटली,
भी कर सकते
और
हैं.
जैसे कि अब
For
आजकल
example,
ऑनलाइन
you
काफी
may create a
इंटरव्यूज
company
चलते हैं,
sales
इंटरैक्टिव
report of
सेशंस
different
ऑनलाइन
business
चलता
on
है.
a database
ठीक है,
in
कॉन्फ्रेंसेस
Excel.
होती
For
हैं.
easy
So that
access
time
and
you
complete
have been
control
asked
over
that
data
please show
management
your
while
resume,
working
show
with the
about yourself. So you have
database. We
to
must first
describe
ensure all
yourself.
the
At
required
that time you
columns
can
and
use
use
the
each
PowerPoint for
heading
digital
properly.
resume.
It's very
Right?
important to give the
तो
proper
पैटर्न,
name.
फोटोग्राफ,
Right?
ये सब चीजें
जो
हम
भी
वहाँ
आप
पे
नेम
ऐड
दे रहे हो
करके
उनको
अपने
प्रॉपर
आप
नेम
को
देना है
प्रेजेंट
आपको,
करते
बिकॉज
हो.
दैट नेम
वहाँ
से
पर
फिर
भी आप
आपको क्या
PPT
होगा,
का यूज
आप जब इस
करते
डेटा
हो.
को एक्सेस करोगे
ग्रोथ
तो
को
आपको ये
डिटेक्ट
पता
करने
होना
के लिए
चाहिए.
आप
Suppose
हमेशा
you are
कोई
writing
ग्रोथ
order
है,
ID,
आप किस
you have
लेवल
to
तक
write
पहुंच
order
गए अपनी
ID.
कंपनी में, या फिर कोई
Right?
भी चीज
Proper
स्टॉक
name should be
मार्केट की
given.
किसी की भी
Order date,
ग्रोथ करनी है,
order,
तो आप क्या
priority,
करते हो,
city, state,
उसको
reason,
दिखाने
customer
के लिए,
ID,
हमेशा
customer
प्रेजेंट
name.
करने के
In
लिए
this way,
हम
account,
PPT का
suppose you
ही
are working on a
यूज करते
banking
हैं. और अब
data,
तो
you have
PPT
to
में
write
और
account number.
बहुत सारे फीचर्स ऐड हो गए हैं, जिसके हेल्प
Once
से
the
आप
headers
बहुत
of the data
interactive
table
way
are
पे अपने
clear,
आप को
we
present
can
या अपनी
easily
चीज को
start
present
entering the
कर
data
सकते हो.
just
Pros,
below the
cons,
सारा
सारा
columns. आपने
एक
पहले headers
practical,
देने हैं,
एक
जैसे serial
पिक्टोरियल
number,
फॉर्म
order
पे
ID,
दिखा
order
सकते
date,
हो.
ये सब header है.
ठीक
और
है,
उसके बाद
तो
आपने इन
यहाँ
columns
पर
को
these are
properly fill करना
the
है.
points why we
जब
use
ये सारी
PPT,
टर्मिनोलॉजी
right?
हो जाएगी
Some
तो उसको हम
questions
records बोलेंगे.
have
तो
written
आपकी
here.
एक record है.
Just
Suppose
have a look
आपका
on
order
this
ID
question. Sometimes
217 है,
it can
इसका order
come
date
on any
this
competitive
date है,
exams also.
order priority क्या है, मतलब एक
और
पूरी complete row आपका एक record है.
How many
किसी
maximum
particular
slides
person
can
का
be
एक
added to a
record है.
PowerPoint presentation? that
there
is
is
for
no
the
fixed
record.
number.
और जो ऊपर
Right?
आपने लिखे हुए ऑर्डर आईडी,
Slide
ऑर्डर
sorter
डेट,
view
ऑर्डर
can
प्रायोरिटी
be
नहीं बोला जाता है,
selected
field,
under which of the
field या
slides sorted
attribute
आपको
भी
कहाँ
बोलते हैं।
दिखेगा, मीन्स जब आप
इस टेबल के वो फील्ड से
सॉर्टिंग
और
कर रहे
एक
हो
जो पूरी
तो
एक
suppose
रो
आपको
है
view
जो
option
कंप्लीट
पे
इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है आपको,
वो आपका
combination of which keyboards keys
We
can be
cannot
used
leave a
as a
single row
shortcut
empty when entering
and
the
a new
data.
slide in the
For example,
MS
we have
PowerPoint, that is
entered the headings
Control
in the
M.
first row.
And if we start entering the data from the third row by
Right.
leaving the
आपको
second row
शॉर्टकट
empty,
से
we are
कीबोर्ड
gone.
कीज वहां पर दिखाई
Right? तो हम इस तरीके से इस पे काम नहीं
The
कर सकते।
combination
एक रो छोड़ के अगली रो पे काम कर रहे हो,
Headers
ये
and
इस तरीके
footer
से
options is
database
available.
incomplete माना
ये
जाता
आपने
है।
पहले भी पढ़ा है.
Not only
Insert
the first or
option.
second row, but we also cannot
Okay.
leave any row empty after entering certain data into a database field.
Which of the
अगर आपने
following is
एक भी
not
data
included in
row
the
में एक
insert
भी भरा है,
category?
तो
Shapes,
आपको
table,
complete
equation,
करना होता है।
animation or
As
video.
if said, each
So,
column
of
is called
course,
field in the database.
you will
Similarly,
get
we
the
cannot
answer.
have empty field between the data. इसी
Animation.
तरीके से हम
रो को जिस तरीके से
Okay, so these were the points
सारे कॉलम भी we have
complete
shown
करने
in
होते हैं।
MS PowerPoint. We cannot leave any cell. You can see. We must fill all
So
in the
MS
data
Office,
here. We will wind up here only.
In the above
MS
image,
Office
I have
आपका यहीं तक
data
हम
all
लोग
the
पढ़ेंगे
way from row
ये
1
एक
to row
application
5000
software है जिसमें आपने
MS
देखो
Word इस टेबल
MS
में
PowerPoint और MS
स्क्रीनशॉट
Excel तीनों का एक कॉम्बिनेशन
इस टेबल में रो 1 से लेके रो
5001
पर अभी यहाँ पर हम
इतना ही
see how
चीजों को पढ़ेंगे
data has been
It
stored
is-
over there. So you can
क्या
store such a
MS
big
Word होता
amount
है
of
कहाँ
data
पे
in
यूज होता है
MS Excel.
MS PowerPoint का
Right?
क्या यूज है MS Excel का क्या यूज
The
है
final thing we need
We
to do
have
is convert this data in
given
given
all
order
the
by selecting the
points to you.
data press control
If
plus
you have
table.
any
अगर आप
query,
इसको
you can
control
ask
plus
to
T
me
करेंगे तो ये एक
or
टेबल में
text
convert
me.
हो जाएगा. Here we need to make sure that the my table has a header, checkbox is ticked and the range is selected. आपको यहाँ पर एक तरीके का create table दिखता है. यहाँ पे आप my table has header लिख के OK कर देते हो तो आपको यहाँ पर एक complete table creation मिलता है जिससे क्या होगा आप एक complete table like this आपको इस तरीके की टेबल यहाँ पर मिल जाती है. आप इसको एक प्रॉपर नाम दे दीजिए. यू जस्ट गिव अ प्रॉपर नेम टू दैट टेबल अंडर द डिजाइन टेबल पे डिजाइन कॉलम पे आप सेल्स करके इसको एक नाम दे सकते हैं. Since we have created a name automatically, it would expand whenever we enter the data after the last column. Right? So now we have the database ready now. Follow the pros and cons below to have a good hand of your database. So in such way you can create a database. एक practical view भी था आपका MS Excel का. So whenever you work on MS Excel, just keep these points on your mind and try to work on it. It will be very helpful for you for making your official work or whatever data you want to save or you want to make a database of your own for your company, for your own purpose, whatever data you want to create, you can create a small database for your own with the help of MS Excel because it will provide you the predefined formulas also, functions also, right? It will give you a lock system, means you have to make a lock or password in your Excel sheets. You can import data from the other sources also and make them a table in such a way. So these are some points which makes the MS Excel very, very beneficial, right? So this was the MS Excel. Now we will move towards the next MS Microsoft application software that is called MS PowerPoint.